Do you want to make money online every single day? In this video, I'll show you 7 websites that pay beginners daily in 2026. All real, working, and beginner-friendly. First, Fiverr lets you sell small digital services. Beginners can offer writing, editing, design, or AI services. You can earn $5 to $50 per order even as a complete beginner. Next, Upwork is another freelancing platform. Start with small projects, build reviews, and gradually increase your earnings. Many beginners make $100 plus per week here. Third, ClickBank lets you promote products and earn commissions. You don't need a product yourself. Just share links and get paid for every sale. Fourth, Swagbucks pays you to complete small tasks like surveys, watching videos, or shopping online. Beginners can earn $10 to $50 weekly. Fifth, Amazon Mechanical Turk pays you for microtasks like data entry or categorizing content. You can start earning today with no experience. Sixth, YouTube itself is a website where you can earn daily if you post content consistently. Ads, affiliate links, and automation channels can generate income over time. Seventh, freelancer.com is like Upwork. Beginners can find small projects, build reputation, and get paid daily once work is completed. All these websites are beginner-friendly and can help you earn money daily. Start today, take action, and subscribe for more beginner online income tips.